Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on Sweet on Succulents with May. I'm May and today we're going to be talking about Gollum Jade. Growing up, I've heard all jades being referred to as money plants or money trees because they're believed to bring good luck and fortune. This plant will grow in branch clusters and will eventually be shrub-like. Crassula ovata Gollum or Gollum Jade, also known as finger jade, makes an excellent beginner succulent plant. You can grow it indoors as well as outdoors.
It looks like fingers with holes on top of them.
Yes, they're an interesting succulent. Outdoors, when kept in direct light, you'll notice that the edges of your Gollum Jade will become reddened with increased sun exposure. With jades, it's easy to tell when they need water. When their leaves become shriveled and wrinkled, it's a good time to water them. In this pot, one side needs water and the other doesn't. Let me show you that once again. Can you tell the difference? These are pieces that have dropped off my plant, probably when I was planting succulents around it. They seem to be self-propagating and have grown roots all on their own without any of my assistance. If you have temps that hit the 30s or below, bring your jade indoors. When you keep it indoors, you'll want to watch your watering because they are susceptible to root rot. I like to use a sprayer bottle, getting the roots thoroughly drenched and not watering again until the soil dries out. Also, you can rotate your plant to create balanced growth, as they will tend to lean towards your light source and get leggy with insufficient light. Another thing to remember is that your jade may get root bound. If that happens, you'll notice the plant starting to look droopy. Please watch my video on repotting succulents if that happens. When you're ready to bring your Gollum Jade back outside, exposing it to little increments of light is a good idea because it'll likely scorch if you put it directly in full sun. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe to get notifications on my latest videos. Happy planting!